Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Devotion. Chapter 12, Shloka 15. He by whom the world is not agitated, affected, and who cannot be agitated by the world, who is freed from joy, envy, fear, and anxiety. He is dear to me.
Chapter 12, Shloka 15. Yasmannodvijate loko, lokannodvijate chayah, harshamarshavayotvegaihi, mukto yassa cha me priyah.
Chapter 12, Shloka 15. After enumerating 11 characteristics of a real devotee, in the first section, Lord Krishna enumerates 3 more in this shloka. He by whom the world is not agitated. A man of perfection will not create any agitations in the world around him. Like where there is sun, there cannot be any darkness. He is extremely peaceful and it overflows in the atmosphere around him. Even the agitations of others who come to him become calm. People rush to him to bask in his brilliance and feel joyful. Who cannot be agitated by the world? The world will always be in a state of flux. The agitations of the world can't affect him as he stands on a firm foundation within deep below where the ripples of the world cannot reach. He is like a lighthouse. His personality is rooted in his realization of the deeper substratum of life and sees a harmony all around. He is completely freed from all usual causes of inward agitations such as joy, envy, fear, and anxiety. When a desired object is gained, joy comes. If not gained, envy at those who have. When satisfied, greed for more. When we possess what we desire, fear of losing it. When the desired object is missing, anxiety over its destiny. All these are not in one who has no desire for objects. A devotee of such a type who is peaceful with himself and the world is a master in all the circumstances and never yields to become a victim as he has crossed over the weakness of the mortal heart. Such a devotee is dear to me, says the Lord. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.